Hi, welcome. I thought today I would do a video on something that I've been interested in for quite a while. Uh, it's the most overlooked form of support resistance. I don't hear many people talk about this form of support resistance, but I'm going to show you what it is and show you some examples of why it is the most overlooked. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, the most overlooked form of support resistance is time. I don't hear too many people teach about how important time and how to time your trade and how that is so important. So let's go over some times, some of my favorite times. Mine is the close of the market at 5 p.m., the open of the London market at 4 a.m. and the open of the equities market at 9:30 a.m. And I like to throw in there a 10 a.m. and a 2 p.m. all Eastern times. So let's go ahead and start looking at some of these times and let's see how price reacts to them. So first we're going to start with the close of business, or close of the market at 5 p.m. Okay, this line right here is the open, 5 p.m. open. This green line here. Okay, so watch how price reacts to that line. Here's the open, now watch it. It comes down right to the line, around the line, and bounces. Same over here. It finally breaks it, it comes back up, and bounces right there at the line. It's the 5 a.m. line. Again, same thing over here. See all those right around, all that support and resistance. Let's find some more. Again, it likes to crowd the line, crowd that open. Okay, that's the market open / close. Now let's try, let's look at 4 a.m., which is London open. So let me get rid of these. They don't show anyway. Not a lot. Okay, 4 a.m. Here we go. And this is the EURUSD. I'll show you some other pairs as well. Now when price comes back to it, you can see where it is acts as support or resistance. It may not bounce and continue in the direction it bounced, but it does give forms of support and resistance. See how the price is on right there on the line. Let's see, let's go back over here. Having some support right there. This was probably news, looking at that candle, the wicks on both ends. This was probably news came out and shot it up. That's why it blew through that area to start with. But when it calmed down, it came back. People taking profits and pulled back right back to the 4 a.m. open, and then went back up. And again, even this news candle here respected the 4 a.m. open. Okay, as you can see how the 4 a.m. reacts to it. Now let's go on with the equities market open 9:30 a.m. Now, the equities market open and the 10 a.m. they're so close together. There's no real use showing at 10 a.m. It's about the same. Here's the line. See how price bounces on the equities market open. Even at the end of the day, almost it comes back up and bounces on it. And all these wicks go up and hit it. Of course, price doesn't always come back to the equities open, but just going back to see how they react. So it came up there and bounced several times. Okay, now let's look at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is not an open, but it seems to act well because I think that's when most people start closing their swing trades or whatnot. And we're getting ready to close for U.S. traders are getting ready to go home. Okay, here we go. See how well 2 p.m. Acts as support and resistance. Of course, markets are starting to get slow. Getting toward the end of the day. This over here is this is market close 5 p.m. So this would be about 10:30. Still at 10:30 at 10 o'clock at night. Just going over here. He's just right in that 2 p.m. open right there. 2 p.m. is one of my favorite ones to use. I like to trade at 2 p.m. as well. See how all along here how price reacts to it. Again, this is about 10 p.m. at night. All the way here. So most people, like I said, I don't hear anyone talking about the importance of time that often, but I really watch time quite frequently. I generally will not close any trades before 12 p.m. till London close. We'll look at 12 p.m. as well, since I said that. Let's see how the markets react to that time. Okay, here we go. It still is respected. All these bounces right on the 12 p.m. line, 12 p.m. open. Again, you can see down through here how there's one. Let's look at another pair just to show that it's not only specific to EURUSD. This is pound USD. Again, 12 p.m. London close. The market really respects that time. If you want it, you could create a strategy where you trade those bounces. You probably need a confirmation indicator before doing so. They can definitely be traded on binary options as well. Okay, guys, that's about it. A short video showing what I think is the most overlooked form of support resistance. Again, it's time. Let's put all these on a chart at once. And see how they interact with one another. So let's continue to look at some times here. Here are all the times on the chart that I just discussed. The black is the equities market open. The aqua here is 4 a.m. You can see all of them working together. Now the market, if you got multiple open times, how the market really uses that as support resistance. See here, it's 4 a.m. and it's 12 p.m. No, 2 p.m. The red is 2 p.m. Now so anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Hope you've learned something. Members, you can ask questions in chat as usual. You guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.